hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Louis, O'Fallon, St. Charles, St. Peters, Florissant, Chesterfield, Wildwood, University City, Bowen, Woodsville, Kirkwood, Maryland Heights, Hazelwood, Webster Groves, Ferguson, Manchester, Creve Coeur, Overland, Clayton, and Cahokia. This includes the following state parks: Baylor Memorial State Park, Scott Joplin Historic Site, Route 66 State Park, Castlewood State Park, and First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 208 and 231. Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 261 and 277. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Tornado warning has expired for North Central Franklin. County, central St. Louis County, until 3 a.m. At 2:26 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Cotlerville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include St. Louis, O'Fallon, St. Charles, St. Peters, Florissant, Chesterfield, Wildwood, University City, Bowen, Kirkwood, Maryland Heights, Hazelwood, Webster Groves, Ferguson, Creve Coeur, Overland, Clayton, Jennings, St. Anne, and Bridgeton. This includes the following state parks: First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 217 and 231. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Franklin County, Southern St. Charles County, St.